Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So today, I'm so scared to try this challenge. I haven't tried this in a bit, but it's peanut butter sandwich. You want to see it's peanut butter? Peanut butter. Peanut butter. So I haven't tried this in a while and I'm just so scared. Okay, let's go. 1, 2. Before we get this challenge on, I'm gonna challenge you for 7 seconds. What is it called? 7 seconds. If you can subscribe to my channel, get the bell, subscribe, put the bell, and thumbs up in 7 seconds. 1, 2, 3, 4. 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. And if you didn't, go check out now. And I'm giving away a MacBook Air computer, a iPhone 7, and a little, I don't know what to say. And something that I don't need, okay guys? And it's really fun. Bye! So let's get in the video. You know I'm so savage, but
what makes you think that? Mr. Captain says I'm an airhead.
It's kind of good. It's good. Monday.
Really small plane, I don't think.
You're kind of good. Okay, bye guys.